monde, bienvenue sur ma chaîne YouTube. Oh, un peu de bon, je vais être honnête avec vous, j'ai enregistré les vidéos là 50 fois. Hello everyone, my name is Camelle and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is actually my first video ever and I hope I'll keep on with it. And I'm so emotional. I'm very emotional because I've been thinking about creating this channel for a very long time and I never had the courage to do it.
Hello tout le monde, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Camelle and I'll be taking you in the journey to discover Milano with me. Look at this book, how cute it is. It's a book that contains 1001 things to do in Milan at least once in your life. I'm a Cameroonian and I'm based in Milan and I have every day to explore the city, eat everywhere and have fun. I'll be filming my journey together with you, but I will need your help. This book contains a lot of attractions, but all of it is in numbers. You have to choose together with me a number every week of the things you want to see, and we are going to discover what it's about. As this is my first video, I'll be taking you to the first thing we are going to discover, which is Duomo. And let's get started.
Bon, attendez, j'ai oublié quelque chose. En réalité, je voulais me présenter normalement. Ici, Cameroonian, j'ai rendu à Bafoussam. Et actuellement, j'habite à Milan. So, I'm saying I grew up in Cameroon. I'm a Cameroonian. In a little city called Bafoussam. And then I transferred to Italy. And I'm currently residing in Milano. And that's the subject of this whole YouTube channel. The idea of this YouTube channel came to me when I came across this book, which I found very interesting and really like a game changer for me because it contains all the things I would need to know, like all the places there is to visit and all the little detail, and it's very, very written well.
Go to Milano Malpensa or to Bergamo, you take the shuffle here. 1 hour to Milano Malpensa and 45 minutes to Bergamo airport. Around Milano Centrale there is the Post Italiana where you can take out money. And there's lots of very cute restaurants too. These are the first restaurants where a lot of tourists eat when they come to Milan. Not really the best, but some famous ones which are always full at some relative hours, like in the morning or in the evening, where lots of people are coming back from work or a lot of tourists arriving in Milan. These places are always very full. And there are very cute restaurants here.
Then we decided to go to Duomo from Milano Centrale, and to do so we had to take the metro line M3, which is the yellow line, and to do so we had to pass through the M2 line, which is the green line, in order to reach the station for the M3. So here we were going through the steps. We had to go right down in order to pass through the M2 and reach the M3. You have to know that in Milan we have five lines of metro. We have the M1, M2, M3, M4, and M5. We'll have time to talk about this more in details in other videos. And basically that's it. We just walked through. We had the baby with us. And before you ask, there are lifts in the station of Milano Centrale to reach the metro line station. Just that since we were three of us, it was more easier for us to just carry the trolley down the stairs directly to the M train. One thing you will notice if it's your first time taking the metro in Milan is that all the metro lines, whether it's the M1, M2, M3, or M4, are very different and very particular, not just by their color, but also you will notice that some metro lines are upgraded than the others. And for example, the recent one is the M4, which is like very more comfortable to be in than the old ones. I don't really remember which one was bought before the other, but some metro lines literally don't have AC, don't have ventilation. Like this is a particularity of the M3. You see that the windows are open, which makes like a lot of noise. Like there's a lot of noise in the metro. Coming back to our book, as you can see, it's made of chapters, and in each chapter there is like numbers which represent each one particularity about Milan which could be visited and a story about it. And I would like you, if you would like to participate in this adventure with me of discovering Milan, you could leave down below numbers, and then we'll pick the number that comes back very frequently or the number that has the most likes. This is just an idea, but we could have different ways of doing it, or I could just randomly choose one number myself. Let's see for the next video. Here we go. We are yet to arrive Duomo. Stick with me and let's go. Coming out of the station to the Duomo is kind of very long. You could get lost. But I just wanted to say, you will notice that I talked a little bit of French in my video. Actually, I could speak in French, English, or Italian. But I'm not sure again what my audience would be like. But I know universally English is the best, and I'm very comfortable with English. And that's why I'm doing this video in English. But I also could speak in Italian and French. I'm also comfortable in French, to be honest, but I speak French with the Cameroonian accent, and I'm so free. Like when I speak French, I'm very unserious. After a lot of thought and try and error, I've decided to stick with the language with which I'm most comfortable for a start, and fast forward, we'll see how it goes. Here's to give you an idea of where we actually are right now, how big it is, and Milan is just so pretty.
Duomo Duomo is always full, with a lot of people coming from all around the world, all yellow, always full, always beautiful, as you can see. Around the Duomo, there's Galleria Vittorio Emanuele, which is a very popular galleria because there are a lot of very high fashion stores, and it's always very crowded and visited by a lot of tourists, lots of celebrities, and it's always like the hype place to be in Milan when you come here. Okay, we are going to try something around Duomo. We are going to try to eat something, buy something, visit something really quick. Like, let's imagine you are a tourist that's very hungry and want to spend minimum 5 euros, 10 euros.
I finally started filming, and if you want to participate, you could leave a number in the comments.
book our flights. Let's go see a show in Mexico, yeah. Laugh and dance all night.